Tami Reader AI just hit the market, and today we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this exciting new software. Whether you're new to AI tools or already experimenting with various solutions, this is a game changer you'll want to pay attention to. Stick with me through the next few minutes because we're going to reveal everything from its features to how it stands out among the competition, and why it might just be the next big tool you need in your workflow. Plus, you can try Tami Reader AI completely free from the link below, so why not check it out for yourself? First off, Tami Reader AI is designed for anyone who needs to consume large amounts of text or data quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a digital marketer, researcher, or just someone who works with lots of content, this software promises to save you time. The unique thing about Tami Reader is that it doesn't just read text. It summarizes and analyzes it for you, helping you get the key insights without the hassle. What's powerful about Tami Reader AI is how fast it processes and presents the information. You upload or input your document and it starts summarizing instantly. No more going through long documents manually. If you've ever felt bogged down by long-form content or reports, this software is designed to speed up that process. Imagine how much time you'll save just by letting Tami Reader condense everything into digestible, actionable insights. Another key feature is its ability to recognize the most important parts of your content. Tami Reader AI doesn't just skim the text, it analyzes context and highlights the critical points, whether it's data, important trends, or specific mentions that matter most. This means you can trust it to provide the most relevant info for your needs, whether you're diving into a market research report or just trying to digest a long blog post. Beyond the summarization, Tami Reader also has smart tagging. This is where the AI truly shows its power, categorizing content based on themes, topics, or relevance. This feature allows you to quickly sort through your data and find exactly what you're looking for, without having to reread everything. This makes it particularly useful for those in fields like SEO, content creation, and data analysis, where keyword relevance is key. Another thing that sets Tami Reader apart is its user-friendly interface. It's incredibly intuitive, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Simply upload your file, or if you're working with a URL, just paste it in, and Tami Reader starts doing the heavy lifting. No learning curve, just immediate results. You might be wondering about integration options. Tami Reader AI works seamlessly with many popular platforms, from Google Docs to Microsoft Word, and even your CRM system. This makes it incredibly versatile for those looking to integrate it into their existing workflow without having to jump through extra hoops. Now, let's talk pricing. Unlike many AI tools that require hefty subscriptions, Tami Reader offers a free trial with full access to all features. Yes, you heard that right, completely free. So, if you're unsure, you have nothing to lose by giving it a try. You'll get to see firsthand how the software can fit into your needs without committing to a paid plan right away. But before you go, don't miss out on the open loop feature we mentioned earlier. Stick around till the end and I'll share why Tami Reader AI could be your best tool of the year and how you can unlock even more AI power for your business, especially if you're trying to stay ahead in the content-heavy, data-driven world. If you're ready to try it out, make sure you check the link in the description to give it a go for free. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Tami Reader is one of the few that I think stands out in terms of simplicity, speed, and usefulness. Plus, I've included other AI tools I recommend in the description too, so you can explore more options to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below to start using Tami Reader AI and the other software I've found to be top tier.